Hello friends, welcome back to the second video. In this video we are going to see what is exam server and also what is notepad++. Anyway, to start our practicals we need some tools to write a program and some software to execute the program. What I mean to say is, okay, for every language we need some tool to write a program on the developer side. Okay, that means we need a software or a tool to develop a code, right? So in this case I'm going to use notepad++. This is the software, or this is the tool which I'm going to use for developing PHP code. Okay, why I opt this? Because it is free of cost and we can easily identify the different things in our code. Like we have color coding, we have different benefits in notepad++. That's why I opt this, and it's absolutely free. And exam server, what is exam server? So anyway, I'll write in caps exam server. See, in order to execute our code, whatever we develop, we need a web server, right? But if you need a web server, then we have to buy the domain name and we have to buy the, what do you say, the space, web space. Okay, so in order to, after we buy a domain name and domain space, okay, web space, then we will, whatever we write, that will keep the files will keep in that web space. Then we'll have that web server, and whatever the code we write, that will go to that web server and it will execute. But it's not a good practice directly we experiment on the web server while we're developing. Okay, so we don't want to keep use a web server as our experiment when we are developing. What I mean to say is, after we develop the website, we'll transfer all the files of that website to the web server. That's a good practice. And after completion of your total website, then only you will going to place in your web space, and that will execute on your web server, and that gives a good output, right? So in order to do that, first of all we need some temporary server to develop. So that server is exam server. In this exam server, this exam server acts as web server, same like web server. It uses the server benefits. So whatever we write code, that we'll write in notepad++ and we'll execute in exam server. It uses our Windows as a server. So this is the main useful tool for exam server, and this is the notepad++, which is a tool which is used for developing our PHP code. Not only PHP code, notepad++ is a tool which is used for any type of languages. Like we can write C++, C, JavaScript, PHP, any type of code we can write in notepad++. So that's why I go for notepad++. Anyway, how to download this notepad++ and exam server, I'll show you now. Just go to Google internet, google.com. Anyway, my system is somewhat slow. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Yes, so automatically it goes to google.co.uk. Yeah, see, when I type exam server or exam download automatically it pop-ups. See, there are different websites to download, but I will go with Apache Friends or Apache Exam for Windows. Just go here. Right here we have different downloads. Go to XAMPP. Okay, so here we have different versions like installer, zip, 7-zip, but installer is the best way. So I can install here. Go to installer. See, it will download in 2 seconds, 1 second, 0 seconds. It is showing. See, it is showing here. Anyway, it's directly downloading, but I don't need this because I'm just cancelling it because I already had it. So that's the way you have to download. And after downloading exam server, just it's a exe file, so just click next, and you will install in your it can be installed in your computer, right? So if it doesn't work after installing, after sometimes it doesn't work, so if doesn't work, go to other site and download the SAM server and make it work. Of course it definitely work, but if your file is corrupt or if your downloaded file is not good enough, then it doesn't work. So go to other website. You have different websites which offers this website, I mean which offers this software. So just go to different websites and download in other website if this website doesn't work, and just download it and install it in your computer. After installing, we need one more resource, one more thing, that is Notepad++. That is very easy to install like exam server. Just go to Google and type Notepad++. Notepad++. See, so you'll have this is a main website, so just go here and just download it directly. See, this site will open, Notepad++ main site. So here you, if you want to read the description, the benefits and about Notepad++, you can read it over here, and you have different features. If you want to contribute, if you want to donate, you can. Yes, so just go and click download and it will directly navigates to the page, download page. Just you have different packages over here, again installer, zip, 7z or something like that. Just go to installer, that is the best way. Just then your download starts, but I just want to cancel because I've already installed in my computer. Okay, so hope you understood. Just go to Google and type for XAMPP and type for Notepad++, and go to website, go to download page, download it. After downloading, you just install it in your computer. From the next session onwards, we are going to use this Notepad++ and XAMPP servers both. And after having that, I mean, of course I had in my computer, but for you, if you have that, we'll start our practical sessions from the next session. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in this next week. Thank you. Bye.